It is given that there is a delta modulator system which is designed to operate at 5 times the Nyquist rate of the signal. The bandwidth of the signal is also given, which is equal to 3 kHz in this question. And we have to find out the maximum amplitude which can be applied to this delta modulator such that there is no slope overload. And it is also given that the signal is having a bandwidth of 2 kHz. Sorry, signal is having a frequency of 2 kHz. It is given that the quantizing step size is 250 millivolt for this delta modulator system. Now, to solve this, let us assume our signal xt, that is modulating signal xt, is am cos 2 pi fmt or am sin 2 pi fmt. We are assuming am sin 2 pi fmt here. Then to avoid overload error in a delta modulator, it is given that maximum of mod of d by dt xt should always be less than del by ts, where del is our quantizing size and ts is our sampling duration. So this implies that am into 2 pi fm must be less than del into fs. So am must be less than del into fs upon 2 pi fm. Now here del is given to 50 millivolt, fm is given 2 kilohertz, and fs is given as 5 times of Nyquist rate, which is 2 times of the bandwidth signal, that is 3 kHz. So 5 into 2 into 3 kHz which is going to be 30 kHz. So our am must be less than 250 into 30 upon 2 pi into 2 into 10 raised to power 3, which is going to be equal to am must be less than 0.596 volt, which is our answer. Thank you.